To Unit 3, and in this Unit 3, we're going to be utilizing some technology to find the speed that you walk. So using a phone timer on your smartphone, your watch, or any other device, time yourself while you walk 50 steps at your normal pace. So exactly like if you were walking through the mall, or if you were just taking a walk, whatever your pace would be. Once you get that time, you're going to set up your post. So you're going to create a proportion by figuring out how long did it take you to walk 10,000 steps if you were going at the same pace. So to do this, you're going to put the time that you found in your smartphone divided by 50 equals x over 10,000. So that's exactly how you set up the proportion. Your time that you timed divided by 50 equal sign x divided by 10,000. To solve this proportion, you're going to cross multiply and then divide. So that's going to tell you how long it would take you to walk 10,000 steps. Then, in your typical life, how could you add in time for getting in 10,000 steps? Are there small things you could do, like standing up at your desk, walking around the office, anything that you could do to get more steps in on a regular basis? In the next piece, you're going to be responding to a classmate. So let's pretend that getting 10,000 steps is too big of a goal. It's difficult for some people, especially depending on their jobs and, what kind of a setting they're in. So we're going to kind of pretend that's the situation. But we know that some walking is better than no walking. So you're going to determine, based on the amount of time they posted, divided by 50 equals x divided by 5,000. You're going to cross multiply and you're going to solve, and that's how long it would take them to get to 5,000 steps. You're going to repeat that for 7,500. And so then you're just going to encourage them to take some steps. So really, when you're replying to your peer, you're replying to this fake scenario. But even though it's a fake scenario, you're also accounting for their actual time that it took them, and then being able to use that to generalize the other two speeds. In 3, you're just going to find anyone's response that was interesting. So maybe someone said just like you that they just are going to take more steps around their office. If that's the case, then you're just going to reply to their post with a reply and share. Do you have a walking goal? Like, do you have a smartphone that you check your walking time on, have your steps? Do you have a workout routine? What are some things to consider as you're looking out at workout routines? And then, is there any resource that helped you with proportions this week? And that is the weekly discussion.